want to make a video on impressions, so the first thing I'm going to say before you get the wrong impression is I am sat on my toilet, but I'm not in the position to go to the toilet. I doubt most of you will have thought that I was going to the toilet during a video, but just to get that out of the way. I dyed my hair dark brown today and it looks pretty similar to black. I've just been messing about with my makeup to see what it looks like. As you can see, I decided to do some kooky 60s style under the eye eyeliner. Ceramic everywhere means you hit it. I can feel it coming in the air. You know when you start a song and it's too long? You can't finish it, but it'd be awkward if you didn't finish it. Yeah. I don't know if you can see, but I've like tanned forearms and then a pale. Look at that! Don't cycle. That's the moral. I was going to take off all my makeup as I spoke to you about what I was, you know, a fan of, like Doctor Who and sci-fi and fantasy and books and I was about to say reading, same thing. Writing, going for walks, taking pictures, like photography. You know, I am not what I wear on my face. I look pretty much like the death goddess right now. Flower crown and hoop earrings included. I feel like if I went out in public, a lot of people would be like, wow, she's weird. I mean, that's true, I am, but not for the reasons they might think. I do look a bit like I'm into satanic rituals, but I promise you I'm not. Unless scrolling through the internet every day is now considered a satanic ritual, because I would not be surprised. Regardless, I want to encourage you to not only be yourself, but embrace the other people trying to be themselves or trying to be something. It doesn't matter what they're doing because one, it's their life, and two, they could be in the process of finding themselves or being something other than themselves. This is the thing. I don't know what other people think of me when they walk down the street. No one does. And I just want to sort of encourage the spread of awareness that what I have on my face or what I wear on my body is not me. It's an extension of. It is the outside shell. Like a tortoise, the shell is a part of that tortoise, and yes, it can't change it like we can, but imagine if the shell could be changed. Imagine if that tortoise wanted to change its shell. All the other turtles / tortoises, because I don't know why I especially went for tortoises, they might discourage it. They might be rude because no one does that. No turtle / tortoise / other shelled creature here does that. Don't you be doing that. Don't you change it. I mean, they have pretty short arms, so it'd be a bit like this. But my point still stands. Let the tortoise be what it wants to be. If someone wants to do something with themselves that's different to normal, just for one day, don't question that. I might just go back to being plain Jane, no makeup, like I have been for months or something. Tomorrow, you do you is a phrase that I continuously say these days, and it's like, do what you want to do, be you, go with whatever your heart, your head, whatever part of you that you are you with, go with that. Stop auto-focusing. I mean, I could turn it off, but I would like it to do autofocus, just not right now. I look like an owl then. I want to be an owl, I will be an owl.